Welcome to new blockchain project. The name is Bold NFT, digital marketplace for crypto collectibles. Okay, so about us. Bold NFT is a digital marketplace for crypto collectibles and non-fungible token. NFT by sell and discover exclusive digital access to. Okay, so we know this project one of the best project at this point time. So everything is all of this project. So multi-chain support. Okay, so one of our very important aims to give go beyond the ETH network and to develop the first truly native multi-chain NFT platform so that customer can store and trade their NFTs on multiple chain entirely. Entirely, the Bold NFT will launch on Ether edition other blockchain as well. So Bold NFT launchpad. Okay, so we will provide a way for the Bold NFT community to support and provide the capital for the new upcoming project on NFT Airtel. Artlist NFT fund also will be heard and the native token of Bold NFT Bold. Okay, there is many details here about token distribution. Audio 10% platform development, 10% staking, 10% team, 15% reward, 20% board DAU. 35%. So everything is all of this project. I hope this project has a bright future, one of the best project at this moment time. So it is Bold her. There is a many social media link as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Telegram. Please visit this visit this Panti thread. You can see their social media link. Please visit this site. You can understand about this project. Now visit it, their website. Bold NFT explore latest NFT. So Etherland reserve 4.89 Ether. So to reserve price 5.04 Ether. Current price 2.61 Ether. Recommended reserve price 3.19 Ether. So golden 0.1919 Ether. Reserve price 1. The multi plus to 1.63 Ether. Bold NFT digital marketplace for crypto collectibles and non-fungible token NFT. Buy, sell and discover exclusive digital access. Okay, so Bold token. It is simple for shopping. Import. So select is a Bold token. So select their Ether NFC above. So Ether. So please here is show something is there is a show Ether. Okay, everything is all of this project. So it is normal shopping. Okay guys, so there is a many details here. Select medium Twitter community. Okay, there is a many details here. Please visit this site. You can see their medium. Bold NFT guide to participate in Bold NFT Banti. So Banti instruction. So okay, so Bold NFT roadmap, vision and development. Want to know what Bold NFT plan to bullet learn about our vision for the future. Bold NFT is the digital collectibles and non-fungible token NFT buy, sell and discover exclusive digital assets. Many NFT marketplaces are just that, a marketplace, simple platform to transaction in it of the chain. However, we will believe that NFT experience should be so much more than that. Our mission to bring creator closer to consumer and provide both creator and the customer with the basic possible multi-chain support. One of the very important is a give bank. Okay, so on board NFT. So okay, so everything is all of this project. So I hope this project has a bright future. Okay, board NFT website. Everything is amazing of this project. Okay guys, I hope this project has a bright future. So this project give us a very good profit, so don't worry. So if you earn this coin, please stay with me, explore latest NFT. So okay guys, so there is many details here. Okay, so guys, no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you do not subscribe, please now subscribe please. Okay.